This is the car the world has been waiting for. Look at it. In 1955, the original DS shocked the world and looked like a spaceship. Fast forward to 2026 and Citroën has done the impossible. They've brought back the goddess. It's sleek, it's hydro-pneumatic in spirit, and it might just be the most stunning thing on four wheels today. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Citroën DS Next Gen. Let's talk styling. Citroën kept the iconic shark nose front end, but check out these LED headlights. It's a modern matrix setup that mimics the old turning lamps. Moving to the side, they kept the legendary aerodynamic silhouette. Notice how the rear wheels are partially covered? That's pure DS DNA, keeping the drag coefficient lower than my bank account balance. And the rear. Look at these high-mounted indicators integrated into the roofline. It's a direct nod to the 55 original. The full-width LED light bar with the Citroën DS lettering looks absolutely premium. It's retro, it's futuristic, it's French. Step inside and oh boy, it's a lounge. Look at these seats. They look like expensive mid-century modern furniture. You've got this single-spoke steering wheel, a classic DS staple, but now it's packed with haptic controls. The dashboard is minimalist with a massive curved display, but they used real wood and premium leather. It doesn't feel like a cockpit, it feels like a Parisian boutique. Now, what's under the hood? Since it's 2026, Citroën isn't messing around. The engine? We're looking at a dual-motor AWD electric powertrain, producing 450 horsepower. Range? It'll do about 400 miles, 640 kilometers on a single charge. Suspension? But the real star is the Advanced Comfort 2.0. It uses cameras to scan the road ahead and adjust the dampers in milliseconds. It literally glides over bumps. It's the magic carpet ride, perfected. So how much for this piece of French art? The price? Rumor has it starts at $75,000 going up to $110,000 for the Palace Edition. The competition? It's entering a tough field. It has to fight the Lucid Air for range, the Mercedes-Benz EQE for luxury, and the Tesla Model S for tech. But honestly, none of them have the soul or the style of this DS. Citroën proved that you can bring back a legend without ruining it. It's bold, it's weird, and it's beautiful. If you want to stand out from the sea of boring SUVs, this is it. But what do you guys think? Is it a worthy successor to the original goddess? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.